Hi everybody, I'm here for a quick video, and you'll be seeing some videos the next few days. I had some packages arrive, and this is the first one that arrived. And I'm going to see, the lighting is kind of, does that help? That make it worse? It might make the glare worse for the moment, but it'll help when the item comes out. So this I ordered from an Etsy store in Canada. Okay. And let me get the, so the shop name is NissaMade, NissaMade, and I will link the Etsy store down below. But everyone has known that I kind of moved back into the personal size. This is my newest, my chic sparrow in the pelican leather, which I have mightily chunked up. So I'm gonna see if I can save this washi. It's really cute. I don't know where that one's from. So I do have a zipper pouch in here, and it's a personal size zipper pouch. But I saw these pouches by her, and I thought they looked intriguing. One, because they're artistic, and two, oh, there's a piece there. Because they just look really, really functional and really cool. So let's see. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, so this is a personal size. Let me get all that stuff out of the way. This is a personal size. See, there's a zipper. Beautiful. It's like a wallet, a zipper pouch insert. And it's made from this cork. So it's a thin sheet of cork that has this beautiful mosaic pattern all over it. And it has a card slot here. It has a card slot here. And it has that. And it's so soft. And of course a nice big deep zipper right here. And you can see there's like little shiny flecks. I'm not sure if that's natural to the tree, maybe? Because cork is a tree. So let's see. And see, it looks so pretty with that. I was thinking with my personal notebooks, it would look good in whatever one I use. So it looks great with that. It looks great with that. Which one is this? This is my... It looks great with that. And it might even look really great with my very first chic sparrow personal. And look. See, when you have a neutral earth tone, it looks really beautiful with those. When you have a neutral palette to work with, you know, you have, I think, a lot more choice for what you can put inside. And I'm gonna have to stop because that's the husband's phone. Just one moment. So when you have a neutral palette, you have a lot more options. Sorry that it's early on a Saturday morning. Oh, that's pretty. And it looks really nice next to my Louis Vuitton. And it doesn't really add that much. If you can see that, it doesn't add much weight or thickness to the. So beautiful, and it has that extra pocket, and a pocket. So now, because it isn't clear, you know, my cute little die cuts and stickers won't be seen, but that's okay. Now what this is here, this is 2 like fake Project Life cards that I have some Post-its on. And yeah, but I can fit back there. For right now, kind of put those in here and use the little tabby. And then what I've been keeping in the zipper part is an extra elastic. If I need to add an extra insert, my CVS card, I have no idea why. And then some stencils from Connie at Porter Pieces. So let's put those, actually I'll put that in my wallet. And see, the zipper part is a lot deeper than the plastic one. I mean, it's the same size, so you get a little extra room, which is quite nice. So I will link NissaMade on Etsy down below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.